We're using fashion almost like a Trojan horse, and from that you then be able to talk about something as serious and something that is in fact a crisis for all of us. It's our part of the world that needs education, and it's our part of the world that needs to find out what our role can be. And so it's really a tool, if you like, to help the Western part of the world be less defensive about this. But it was important for me that it did have a history, and that it was genuinely the shelter to a family. And I think it's that narrative that helps give the piece resonance with people.
We did have yesterday a Syrian artist burst into tears when she saw me, which was a very touching experience, because I could tell that it touched her in a way that it wouldn't have to anybody, say, in London.